Tamaya, Tommy
I'm
Kate,
not going to your funeral.
Dallas, Abby,
David, talk to Sean.
It's Halloween.
you come this way, friends. She took them off. We tried to convince him to go back on, but
Halloween
Abby, can you go behind back?
I'm in the way.
Can you go behind back?
Miss Rachel, this is what one of us can, when the other kids come in here, this is their treat. When the other kids come in here.
Do you know where the church office is? Or you're not?
What they're going to be standing at the door. I'm supposed to wait for Kelly to tell us to go. So if you get to the back.
You need a balance.
Happy Halloween, everyone! We are about to start the costume parade, but before we do, parents, if you want to go ahead and go into the classroom and sit down so that you can get the full effect of the costumes as they're coming by, and the children who are coming for the parade will have room to move around in and out of the doorways. Parents, also, we're going to chapel directly after the costume parade in costume. So if you would like to join us in chapel today, you are welcome to come and join us. Chapel begins, we'll be headed down there at 9:10. And you are welcome to join us. We would love that.
darling.
So without further ado, let the costume parade begin.
Oh, the costume parade is on.
Alright, that's us. We're starting.
This is when I miss teaching, when I get in the classroom and see these precious things.
Romeo, keep going, bud. Keep going. There you go. Keep going, friends.
See you in a minute, okay?
Come on. Watch where you're going, Bella. There you go.
He's looking a little frightened.